Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a trip on Amtrak. So first head over to amtrak.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from here, you should see this drop-down menu under the Amtrak logo. So first is click on it and choose the type of trip that you would like to book. So it could be one-way, round trip, multi-city, or group travel. Then click on your choice and here use the search bar first by adding the location where you're coming from. Then of course the location you're going to. Then next add in your departure date and of course your return date. Then click on done. And from there of course choose how many travelers will be on board, add in how many adults, senior, youth, child, and infant. Then click on Done. Then make sure that you tick this box if you're with someone with disability or someone that needs assistance. Then from there, you can click on Find Trains. Next is select your trip. Here you can see the time and the price of each trip. And you can see here there's a tag that says lowest fare, premium. So choose whatever suits your budget and your needs. So of course, pick a seat, then click on add to cart. And from there, you can proceed by clicking on continue. So here's your trip overview. Review it here to make sure that all the details are correct. And you can also add in additional items, but these are all optional. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Next is add in your traveler details and choose if you want to earn points. And of course, share your travel plan. Now here you're just going to pick an option where do you want to receive your travel details. Then proceed by clicking on continue. And lastly, you will be redirected to the payment page, but first you will be asked if you would like to avail travel protection for your trip. So you can pick yes, but there will be additional fees. And you can also see the inclusions, but you can always say no. And of course, last is add your payment option. And here you can also see other payment options such as PayPal, Google Pay. Then to finalize this booking, just head over and click on purchase. Once the payment is done, you will then receive a confirmation either by email or your phone about your booking details. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!